loves, I am jumping right into this tutorial. The cool thing about this, it's the exact same technique that I used in my braid out tutorial. So I already have 2 twists done. The only thing that's different is I'm using 2 different products this time. So first, as my moisturizer slash base, I'm using the Pure Avocado Moisture by Curl Mix, and this product smells so good, y'all. Like, I have the other products too, and it just smells amazing. And then for my styler slash gel, I'm using the Aunt Jackie's Coconut Curl Balls Gel, or curling jelly. And the hold on this is just about as good as Eco Styler Gel. But the longevity of it, I would say twist outs don't last me as long as braid outs. So this probably lasted me a good 3 to 4 days, which is still pretty good. And I am just going to be flat twisting. So of course I did 7 twists. And for this particular style, I did a side part instead of a middle part. And I'm making sure I twist very taut. And you're going to see the product, kind of seeping through the twist. That's good. That's totally fine. I'm going to show you how I soak up some of that product. But that's good. You want to make sure you twist it as taut as possible because you don't want any loose twist. The tighter or more taut that it is, the better the definition. So with that extra product, you see me kind of like sliding it off that twist and kind of rubbing it onto the next section because I do not like to waste any product. But don't worry, it's still a little bit showing up, but I'll still show you how I dry most of that up. And I wanted to kind of show you guys an up close view of the definition that these 2 products gave my hair. It looked really, really pretty. And one thing, I was kind of nervous about this twist out because I haven't done a twist out in a very long time. I just really prefer braid outs, but I was not sure if it would come out right with this technique. But y'all, when y'all see the results, it worked. So yeah, so this is basically all I do. It's very self-explanatory, just flat twist, that's it. And twists actually dry way faster than braids for me because it's not 3 strands, it's only 2. And make sure you coil the ends at the bottom, and that is basically it. That's all I did for this twist out. So again, I did 7 twists, and when I am done, I like to kind of like twist it in the direction that it's going to kind of squeeze out any extra product. And I take the towel and I just kind of gently squeeze it to soak up all that product. This also helps your hair dry a lot faster as well because you don't want to go to bed with a soaking wet hair. Yeah, so that's my number 1 tip. I do that in my braid outs too. And then the next day, I have my twist ready to take down, and I'm just taking this shine oil or shea oil mix that I've used in other videos. I'll list all the products in the description box below. But I'm just taking that in my hand. I'm just rubbing it all over the twist. This is key to taking down any twist or braid out. You want to make sure you kind of coat your hands in oil. And I'm just going to start unraveling in the opposite direction. Now, with this twist out, I decided to kind of separate as I went, if that makes sense, just to kind of like add volume, just so I don't miss any chunks when I'm done, because it just all looks unified. So I just went ahead and separated it before I moved on to any other section. So when I separate, I gently pull and let it fall wherever it wants to fall. I don't try to like force it or anything, but I do this very gently, because if you do too many, it'll like be a frizz ball. So yeah, just gently take it down and separate each section. One other tip is the more you separate, the bigger the hair. I just feel like people's twist outs don't come out how they wanted to because they forget to separate it. Like, that is so key. That's how I get really big hair and a lot of definition. So after that, I flip my head over and shake and kind of give my roots a little gentle little massage to to make sure everything is seamless, and I kind of like comb up with my fingers. You know, I do that for my big hair. And then I am not done yet. I just wanted to show you guys how it's looking so far. I actually like how it came out. I was, you know, very shocked that this technique actually worked for my twist out. But I mean, I still prefer braid outs, but hey, still looks cute to me. And I'm just going through making sure I kind of separate everything if I missed anything. And then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb, and this is the fun part. This is how I fill out any gaps or spaces and just make it more round and have that round U shape. Honestly, I really need to reshape my hair because it's kind of grown out a little bit and the shape is kind of gone. But when you do this, you can kind of like mimic the shape that you want. So just gently kind of tease or pick in the middle of the hair shaft. Do not comb all the way through. Like I said, that will kind of ruin the definition. This just, you know, fills in any gaps and makes it a lot voluminous. And y'all, I really do take about a good 20 minutes to pick out my hair because I absolutely have to have big hair on the first day. Like, this is truly the hack to big hair on the first day. And then plus when you tie it up at night, it just looks even better as the days go on. And these two products did hold up my hair pretty well. But like I said, twist outs don't last me as long as braid outs though, but still, I just, you know, keep playing around with it until I get it to how I want it to be. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, it's the exact same technique as my braid out. Super simple, super easy. The only thing different is the products and the part change. But yeah, and last but not least, I am going to take some edge control, but I don't really like this edge control. Honestly, edge control kind of sucks on my edges anyway. Like, usually I'll just use the same gel. But yeah, I just had to fix those edges a little bit. And that is pretty much it, y'all. Like, this is my first time doing a twist out in months. Like, I think the last time I did a twist out was when I did the big chop in my dorm room. But yeah, that is it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye.